Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about some very cool IKEA products that will transform your living. When I was thinking about putting this video together, I really wanted to highlight these unique finds that you don't see every single day. I also thought about these following products in terms of their function, their design, and their purpose. I love items that are very simple to use but very effective, that will help you find solutions in your everyday living and make life so much easier. Let us know what you like, or if you have purchased any of this and your experience. If you ever struggle to open a jar or lid, then get this genius IKEA item for $2.99. This jar opener works like a charm. Don't have to hurt your wrist in doing so. I can't tell you how many times this has happened to me when I need to open a can and I just can't, especially in the middle of, I wish I had this gadget that helps me open all my containers and lids. This jar opener makes it so easy because it has the silicone to prevent the opener from slipping, and then you just have to give a simple turn. This next item I'm so excited for. It's the smallest things that make me so joyful whenever I come to IKEA. Ever since I got these food wraps, I've been wondering where they've been all my life, especially when I used to rely on plastic wraps a lot. These covers are perfect for storing veggies, fruits, or even covering glass containers. I like to use it for my lemons whenever I drink water. I even use it for guacamole, and shockingly, it didn't turn brown. These covers just allow me to store any kind of food that I chop up for future uses without compromising their quality and freshness. Plus, they are actually stretchy and super durable. And let's not forget the environmental benefit of using these reusable food covers instead of the single-use plastic wrap. IKEA truly excels when it comes to organization and space-saving solutions. It's everyday products like this clip-on basket for $4.50 that makes me appreciate the thoughtfulness behind a lot of these products. This basket allows you to add extra storage inside a cupboard or under a shelf for mugs and cups. This next item, I really love it. It's so clever. It's the shoe organizer rack for just $1.49. This nifty organizer is perfect for keeping your shoes tidy and maximizing storage space. It helps declutter your closet by effectively doubling your shoe storage capacity or using just only half the space you would normally need. Using this shoe holder, my shoe collection looks way more organized compared to when I used to just stack them on top of each other, and I just end up losing a shoe or two. This shoe rack performs even better than some other pricier options available at other stores. Please note that while this is great for sandals and walking shoes, it might not be the best fit for dress shoes or other shoes like boots that are a little bit taller. It just would not fit. This portable cooktop is such a great item for $69.99. It's perfect for a small kitchen, or if you need additional cooking zone when you're entertaining more family and guests. Think about those Thanksgiving dinners. I love how it's small, it's portable, and it can be tucked away. It's also great for freeing up counter space if you have this. I can also picture using this on a road trip with friends where you need additional cooking to be done but not fully a kitchen. There's so many amazing items and gadgets for the kitchen at IKEA. We have these preparation bowls that come in a pack of 3 for $2.99. Have you ever found yourself chopping a variety of vegetables and meat only to realize that your cutting board is gradually running out of space? As you attempt to transfer your freshly chopped ingredients into a bowl, you then drop little bits of everything everywhere. It happens to me all the time. I honestly think that this is a great solution, and that is why I want to highlight these to you guys. They keep all your freshly chopped ingredients neatly organized and effortlessly transferable, making your food preparation so easy. Imagine having everything perfectly lined up for your next taco night or stir fry, even when you have so many ingredients to prepare. Next up on our list, let me introduce you to this cutting board that doubles as a lid, a set of 3 for just $5.99. These boards are fantastic because they're easy to clean, handle, and store. With 3 different colors available, you can designate each one for specific items. These boards are perfect for situations like making sandwiches where you can cut small ingredients and then assemble right on the board. The lid function also allows you to use it as a cheese board or to place smaller items. If you're going camping or embarking on a road trip, this space-saving and multifunctional item is an excellent choice. This is probably one of my favorite items from IKEA, the pull-out frame for $26.99. The reason why I love this is because one, it's more expensive elsewhere. I usually find these type of items double to triple the price in places like Amazon. The other reason why I like this is because of the 2 containers that you can separately get on IKEA.com, which is $15.99. I have this in my own kitchen. It was so easy to install and it glides very smoothly. I used one for recycling and the other for garbage. My favorite thing about these containers and this pull-out frame is that it comes with a container that has a lid on top, and that means that you can contain all the mess when you're trashing, and it keeps the area clean and hygienic. That is so important when you're trashing items every single day, or if you have kids and they're trashing items and it makes it so messy when there's no lid on top. It's also great for storing other general useful items underneath the sink because that area is usually very big, so you don't really want to go inside and dig things out. You want something that can just pull out and you can easily grab whatever you need right underneath. This clip-on hook rack is $2.99. Has tons of hooks to hang many useful objects. I bought this and hung cups and mugs and saved a lot of space. You can use this to hang utensils underneath any shelf. Additionally, it can be used to store a variety of other objects like keys, brushes, or bags. In a closet, it can be utilized for hanging belts, ties, necklaces. Here's another fantastic kitchen and life gadget from IKEA that we've discovered, a snack container for $1.99. This handy container is simple and very easy to use. It features the built-in strainer that keeps all your snacks dry and clean, and that's my favorite part. It's perfect for outings with kids when you need to store fruits and nuts, and the strainer can even be used for when you're in the kitchen preparing food. Simply fill the container with your favorite snacks and toss it in a backpack for any kind of road trips or when you have to go on planes and train travel. I especially like to take this instead of other containers. It's much easier to go through TSA checkpoints. And now let's turn our attention to this touch top trash can. Truly one of the best small trash cans I've ever come across for $19.99. This stylish bin doesn't require a foot pedal, which I personally dislike a lot in small trash cans. Its pedal-free design makes it suitable for countertop use or hanging behind a cabinet door. With this trash can, you can simply tap to open and close. It's super easy. If you have curious dogs that enjoy rummaging through your bins, this design also helps to prevent them from accessing any contents and trash. It's perfect for fitting into tight spaces, so definitely check this one out. I highly recommend. I love playing with the tap opening and closing of this trash can. It's so easy. This next item is this chair with towel rack. It comes in at $69.99. I know it's more expensive, but that's because of the bamboo construction. This versatile piece can be used in your entryway for hanging keys, umbrellas, sunglasses, while providing shoe storage at the bottom. Personally, I use this in the bathroom. It's perfect for those awkward spaces where you need both hanging and shelf storage. I'm actually considering getting one for my own bathroom to hang towels to dry and place clothes on top when showering. It keeps them off the floor. The space underneath can also be utilized for additional storage. Right now, my bathroom really lacks this place where it can hang towels and store clothes at the same time. Not only is this chair with rack super functional, but it also is very attractive. IKEA has this 4-piece grater set with containers and mixed colors for just $6.99. The grater not only grates, but it offers storage solutions. I'm just a huge fan of items that are simple, practical, and it makes your life so easy. The design of this piece is exactly that. It provides various grating options so you can grate your ingredients directly into the container, and then you can store them right away using the included lid. This is just perfect for shredding everyday items like cheese and carrot. It is also very compact, and compared to the traditional grater, this saves so much more space. Next, I want to share this Ingenious product that's really worth considering. It's this steam insert for $6.99. It's one of the best steamers that I've come across. It has a detachable handle which is easy to hold so you won't burn yourself. It will fit into most cookware and it's easy to use and clean. I really do like the loop design here. The clever design makes steaming food very convenient. I also really like that it folds up and open, which helps fitting into any saucepan. The device can also be reversed for use as a plate cover. When you're not using it, it can also be folded up and it's easy to store since it's very compact. Made of stainless steel, it won't rust, so you will be able to use this for a long time. Next up, the monitor stand with drawers for $39.99. By positioning your monitor at the proper height, the stand can alleviate strain on your neck and shoulders. In addition to the ergonomic benefits of the stand, this contributes to a cleaner desktop look by offering storage space in the drawers and underneath the stand itself. Its design allows you to slide your keyboard right underneath of it as well, keeping your workspace very tidy. So there you have it. These are our 15 favorite hidden finds from IKEA. Let us know what you think, which one you like, which one you didn't like, or if you have tried any of these. Please make sure to check out some of our other cool videos if you like IKEA. Also, please subscribe and support the channel. It really helps us.